Hello guys, in this video we will see what is connection failed error in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. Check Warzone server status and restart. Game content. The connection failed error in Call of Duty Warzone often indicates either a temporary server-side issue or a local glitch. Before proceeding with complex troubleshooting, verify the official server status. For Warzone via Activision support page or community, reliable sources like Down Detector servers are experiencing outages. The only solution is to wait for Activision to resolve them regardless of server status. Perform a full restart of your game application and your gaming platform or console. This simple action can clear transient software conflicts or network cache issues that prevent a successful connection handshake with the game servers. Step 2. Troubleshoot your local network hardware content. If Warzone servers are operational, the next step is to focus on your local network. A fundamental troubleshooting step is to power cycle your router and modem. Unplug both devices from their power outlets for at least 10 seconds. Plug the modem back in. First, wait until its indicator light shows a stable internet connection. Then plug in your router and allow it to fully boot up. This process refreshes your network IP addresses and clears potential network cache buildups. Additionally, if you are using a Wi-Fi connection, temporarily switch to a wired Ethernet connection to eliminate potential interference, signal degradation, or instability inherent to wireless networks. Step 3. Verify game files and firewall settings. Content corrupted or missing game files can prevent Warzone from establishing a stable connection to its servers. Utilize your gaming platform's integrity verification tool for Q-scan and repair in Battle.net, or verify integrity of game files in Steam for consoles. Clear the cache or rebuild the database as per your console's specific instructions. Furthermore, ensure that your firewall, Windows Defender, third-party antivirus firewall, or your router's built-in firewall is not inadvertently blocking Warzone or its associated services. Temporarily disable your firewall for a brief test and re-enable it immediately after to see if it resolves the issue. If it does, create specific exceptions for Warzone and its launcher within your firewall settings.
Step 2. Optimize DNS and network configuration and tend an inefficient or unreliable domain name system. Server can contribute to connection failed errors by slowing down or failing to resolve server addresses correctly. Begin by flashing your DNS cache on Windows. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type config flashes. Beyond flashing, consider changing your DNS server to a public reputable alternative like Google DNS and or Cloud-layered DNS. And below this can often provide a more stable and faster route to game servers, bypassing potential issues with your internet service provider's default DNS. This change can typically be made in your network adapter settings on your core directly within your router's configuration panel.
Step 2. Advance network checks and contact support content. If the connection failed error persists after exhausting the previous steps, more advanced network diagnostics may be necessary. Perform a tracer out using tracer command in Command Prompt on Windows to a known Warzone server IP address to pinpoint exactly where the connection is failing along the network path. Ensure no DNS or proxy servers are active and interfering with your connection. Disable them if they are. If all local troubleshooting efforts yield no solution, the problem might reside with your internet service provider or require specific port forwarding. At this stage, gather all relevant error messages and details of the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Then contact Activision support for game-specific assistance or your ISP for network-related investigation.